Hello everyone, Vincent de la Peña here. Welcome to our channel. And today, we're going on the oldest and one of the most historical place here in Laguna, the St. Polycarp Parish Church. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Jorem Claudio here, and today we'll be talking about St. Polycarp Parish Church. St. Polycarp Parish is actually one of the oldest parishes in the Philippines, established way back in 1571. The same year, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi declared Manila as the capital of the Spanish colony. Back then, Cabuyao was known as Tabuco, a small fishing and farming village by the Laguna de Bay. Spanish missionaries, particularly the Franciscans, began spreading Christianity here, and the community eventually grew large enough to need its own parish.
The church was dedicated to Saint Polycarp, a second-year bishop and martyr, and he became the patron saint of Cabuyao. Fun fact, Saint Polycarp is actually one of the earliest Christian martyrs, and he was a disciple of Saint John the Apostle. Over the years, the church has been rebuilt and renovated several times, especially after earthquakes and damage from war. The current structure still retains some Spanish-era influences and stands as symbol of the town's long faith tradition.
More than just a place of worship, St. Polycarp Parish is a central part of Cabuyao's cultural identity. Every February 23, the town celebrates the feast of St. Polycarp with processions, masses, and local festivities. It's not just religious, it's also a reflection of the town's heritage and unity. If you visit, you'll notice the church is right in the center of the poblacion, surrounded by schools and government buildings. It's truly the soul of the community.
So whether you're from Cabuyao or just passing by, visiting St. Polycarp is like walking through a living piece of Philippine history. I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog about our very own St. Polycarp Parish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories like this. Let me know in the comments if you've been here or if there's another historical place you want me to feature. Thanks for watching and see you next time.